Hello everyone, welcome back to Physics, Chemistry, Maths Simplified. If your ICSE Class 10 Physics Board exam is just 5 days away, stop everything and listen carefully. This is not the time to finish new chapters. This is not the time to panic. And this is not definitely the time to randomly solve full papers. These 5 days can either increase your marks by 10 to 15 or reduce them because of a wrong strategy. Let me show you how exactly what to do. The first rule: stop trying to complete the entire syllabus again. Your syllabus is already done. Now your focus should be strengthening high weightage chapters, perfecting numericals, improving diagram presentation, revising formulas daily. Physics in ICSE is not about theory memorization. It is about concept clarity plus correct steps. Let us look at day-wise strategy. Day 5, that's today. Chapter priority fix. Today take 30 minutes and divide the chapters into 3 groups. Group A, which is strong, which means you can solve the numericals confidently. Group B, moderate, in which you understand the theory but make mistakes in numericals. Group C, weak, which means you avoid these chapters. Now listen carefully. You will not ignore weak chapters, but you will not spend 3 hours on them either. Spend 50% time on Group B, 30% on Group A, 20% on Group C. Balance your time. Numericals Mastery Day, that is physics marks, are mostly lost in numericals. So today, revise electricity numericals, refraction numericals, lens formula numericals, calorimetry numericals. Don't just solve. After solving, ask, where can I lose marks? Did I write a formula? Did I substitute correctly? Did I write the final unit? In the board exams, steps give marks. Even if the final answer is slightly wrong, steps can save you. Day 3. This will be for diagrams and derivations. Many students ignore diagrams. That's a big mistake. Revise ray diagrams like glass slab, prism, real and apparent depth, convex and concave lens. Number 2 will be your electric circuit diagrams. Then the third one will be sound wave diagrams. Then in the last one, electromagnetism and magnetic effect of electric current. So you will consider diagrams on right hand thumb rule, snow rule, Fleming's right and left hand rules, DC motor, AC generator. Practice drawing in 2 to 3 minutes. Remember, no arrows means marks cut. So draw the arrows. No labels means marks cut. Make sure you label the diagram. Untidy diagram means impression reduced. That you cannot risk. Be neat. Also, revise important derivations. Even if derivation does not come fully, parts of it can appear for 2 to 3 marks. Day 2. Full revision plus weak areas. Now attempt one timed section from a sample or a prelim paper. Not full 2 hours. Just section A plus 2 long questions, which means about 60 marks. Check your time management. Silly mistakes, unit errors, formula mistakes. After that, revise only mistakes, not the entire chapter again. Day 1, that is final 24 hours, that is one day before the exam. Do not learn anything new. Revise all formulas, important definitions, SI units, graphs, diagrams, and sleep properly. Physics requires a fresh brain. For the exam hall strategy, which is very important, read the entire paper calmly, read section 2 or section B first, decide upon the choice questions. Then go to section 1, start reading and plan the answers. Start with the questions you are confident about. Even if you start with section B, it's all right. But write the question numbers properly and clearly. In your numericals, write the formula first, substitute, solve. Write final answer with unit. No unit, 1 mark will be lost. Draw diagrams with pencils only. Leave space between the answers. Box your final answer. Presentation can increase your marks. The examiner will be in a mood to give you marks. Which are the common mistakes to avoid? Not writing the units, skipping the steps, mixing up sign convention in the lens formula, forgetting to label the diagrams, spending too much time on one question. Remember, every question carries equal emotional weight in the hall, but not equal marks. Be strategic. Now, listen very carefully. Physics is not a subject to fear. If you have studied consistently, these 5 days are only for polishing. Do not compare preparation with friends. Do not discuss difficult questions before the exam. Protect your confidence. You don't need 100% perfection. What you need is controlled performance. And that is possible. If this strategy helped you, comment ready for physics. In the next video, I'll solve the most expected numericals for ICSE Physics 2026. Subscribe so you don't miss it. All the best, stay calm, and be in control.